Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make crochet face scrubbies. I have already made one face scrubbies with this pattern and added a strap to it in order to hold it properly and use it for removing our makeup. We need a cotton yarn for this. Make a slip knot and insert the hook into the slip knot. Chain 4 and slip stitch into the first chain. Then we will do chain 3, which is considered to be the first double crochet. Then we will do 11 more double crochets in the center of the circle. We will close this round with a slip stitch into the third chain of the first chain 3 in the beginning of this round, followed by chain 3. This will be the last double crochet of this round. Yarn over and do 2 double crochet in the next stitch. In this way, we are going to have 2 double crochets in each stitches of the previous round. So, this round is going to have 24 double crochets. In the last stitch, we will be having only 1 double crochet. We will close the round with a slip stitch into the third chain of the starting chain 3, which was the last double crochet of this round. We will do chain 5. This is the last treble crochet of this round. Then we will do 1 treble crochet into the next stitch. In the next stitch, we will do 2 treble crochets. Then again 1 treble crochet in the next stitch. In this way, we are going to have alternating 1 and 2 treble crochets in the remaining stitches. In the last stitch, only one treble crochet will be there. The starting chain 5 was the second treble crochet of the stitch. Close the round with a slip stitch. Now this is the last round where we are going to have only puff stitches. So chain 3. We will yarn over, insert the hook into the stitch, pull the yarn through it, again yarn over, insert the hook into the stitch, pull the yarn through, again yarn over, insert the hook into the stitch and pull the yarn through. Then yarn over and pull the yarn through all the 7 loops in the hook. Then chain 1. In this way, we will be doing the puff stitches in all the stitches of this round. We will slip stitch into the chain 3 of the starting chain 3 of this round, followed by chain 1. Now we are going to make the strap for holding the scrubby. Single crochet in that stitch, followed by single crochets in the adjacent 2 stitches. Chain 1 and turn your work. Then we will be doing 3 single crochets in each of the single crochet stitches of the previous line. Then chain 1 and turn the work. Again do a line of 3 single crochets, chain 1 and then again turn your work. If you want, you can do single crochets all throughout, but I have tried doing double crochets in this line and also in the remaining lines till I get the required length of my strap. The last 2 rows of my strap will be the rows of single crochets, and then finally we will single crochet into the other side of my scrubby with the strap together as shown. So my scrubbing is ready. I have added the strap with 3 single crochets in each row. If you want, you can add strap with 4 single crochets in each. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching till the end. Please hit the like button and comment in the comment section below. And please subscribe to my channel to get updates of new videos and help me grow my channel.